Welcome back everyone. Apparently this trending effect in TikTok predicts what you're thinking about. So before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this effect lets you make videos on what you're thinking about. It basically zooms into your eyes and then goes through a series of tunnels and then shows you a video of which you can set to play. So let me show you how to use this effect. Open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on Discover and search for Psychic Vision. It should appear under Effects and look like this. Tap on it and see how others have used this effect. The trending music on this effect is Woman from Doja Cat or Strange from Celeste, so make sure to set it to favorite from one of the videos. If you don't see this filter in your search results, then it means it's still not available for your country. Check back later as TikTok is slowly rolling it out to everyone. Once you're ready, tap on Try this effect. This will take you into TikTok's recording screen. Just above the effects window, you'll see the video upload bar. Choose a video from your photo library to set the video you want to play when this effect zooms into your eyes. Press next and this will set the video to that. Now set your music from your favorites. This should be in your favorite section. Now get ready to record your video. Press the record button and keep looking into your eye. Create your TikTok video using this effect and be as creative as you want. And there you go, that is how to use the Psychic Vision effect on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.